Genesis Rising is a space-based real-time strategy with role-playing elements. One of the features of Genesis Rising is the gene system. Here you see the gene laboratory. Now, because this race uses organic ships, a player can drag and drop genes onto the ship to give it added capability. Genes fall under one of several categories, such as long range, which give it long range weapons, short range, warp, cripplers, special. If a player finds himself in battle with a ship that has genes that are not effective, he can remove them from the ship to add different genes and then gain an advantage. Control and movement is simple. Ships can be selected one at a time, or a box can be dragged around and they can then be right-clicked to the destination. The game is framed around a story, and each mission has a number of different quests. Now, depending on how good relations are between a player and a different race, a player may be able to trade. Here you see the trade window with the Alliance. You'll see ships and genes.
It's a deal.
And the player can also trade the currency, which in this universe is blood. Blood can be harvested from the carcasses of dead ships, which are then used for repairing ships, for building new ships, and trading. Here you see the different areas of the universe that a player can access. Now, the story is not linear. It's fairly non-linear, so oftentimes the player will find himself returning to the same area that he was in before in a different mission for a different purpose. Some ships, as you see here, are non-organic, so they cannot accept genes. Of course, they have different abilities, such as regeneration. Here's an instance of a battle.